Hi guys, welcome back to my channel SQL Info, and in today's video we are going to create a table and we will try to insert record into that table. So before creating a table and before starting a video, I request you guys to please subscribe my YouTube channel SQL Info so you never miss any kind of update from my channel. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is, if you have watched our previous video, then you have to start the XAMPP. So I will go and I will start my XAMPP, and I will start Apache and MySQL for this one. I've started, and the second thing, you have to go into your browser and you have to write localhost and php myadmin. Okay, it's open, and we have created the database last time known as practice. So in this database we have explored it, and we are going to create a table of a student. So we want to create a table of a student for admission. The admission form of any first we have to calculate some data in our mind, that whenever you take admission in any kind of institute, then what are the required things. The required thing is your name, father name, and date of birth, previous education or last education, last institute, and after that your current address, your guardians or father phone number, and your religion. So total you have almost 7 almost 8 field needs to be filled, but we have to create 9 columns, and I will tell you why we are going to use 9 columns for this one. So I have created 9 columns, and I will name it as register, or I will name this table as student, so we can use it further. So I will create it, and the first column name should be ID, and all the column names should be in lowercase. So the ID it will be in lowercase, and after that name, the next one will be father name. Don't give a space between any of these things, and after that DOB, date of birth, and after that previous education. Okay, and after that previous education, and you can write address, all the necessary information that is being required by any kind of school. And after address you can type phone, and after that you can type religion, and you can type okay, the fields in midfield, class, in which class we are going to take admission. Okay, class or discipline, it's on you. If you are making this form for a school, then you can go with class, and if you are making this form for an institute, an organization, educational such as college, university, you can go with discipline, whether it is mathematics, whether it's computer science, whether it's medical science. So the first thing, that is ID, you need it to be int. Keep its data type to int. Name, the data type of name should be in text, as the text are been included, and the father name also text, and in date of birth it should be date. Okay, previous education text, address can be contain house number, so it should be in varchar. Phone number can also contain a bar, so it can be varchar. Religion will be in text, and class can be in varchar, so we can write. And now uh, values and length. The length of first one should be unknown, the second one should be 50. You can write 50. Father name should be 50. Date of birth can just leave it as blank because it is date, we can't write it. 50, 50, 50, 50 and 50. Now in the null section, if you want any kind of field to be null, because in some purpose you can write something as optional, such as if you want to say that a student name, as a student can write its father name, or it is optional. If its father name is optional or its previous education is optional, that he can write or he could not write it, it's on him. So you can leave it as null index, that you are giving him option that you can leave this one if you are not willing to fill the data. So it's on you. But in case if you need this one in this data, previous education data is necessary, then you can't check it out. So the last and the main thing is the primary key. Every table has a primary key. A column that is unique in the whole table. In this case, the ID that I have selected as the first one is auto increment, because it is unique thing. Every student will be recognized by this ID. Every student has, if I create a new record, then ID will be incremented, it will not be same. So in programming concern, it has many useful concepts that will be used in future. So we are going to save it, and you will see that the table has been rendered, and every quality, each of a single quality has been listed. So hope you guys like the video, and in the next video we will try to insert the data into a table. Please like the video, share the video, and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.